Here's how to solve number 7. A 0.5 kilogram box slides as shown in the diagram. First question, is the system isolated from the environment between points 1 and 2? Why or why not? This one's pretty obvious. It should be. First of all, if the system is isolated, that means that the total energy is the same. And total energy, let me just type a little bit. I'll make it a different color. Total energy is GP plus KE. And what we know here is that the GPE at point 1 is greater than the GPE at point 2. But you might notice that the speeds at point 1 and 2 are the same. So KE1 equals KE2. GPE at point 1 is greater than the GPE at point 2, but the kinetic energy at point 1 and the kinetic energy at point 2 are the same. So that means there is more total energy at point 1. So the system is not isolated. Okay? The second one is a little bit more difficult. So the second one is the system isolated from the environment between points 2 and 3? Why or why not? So let me erase some stuff. All right, for some reason my mouse wasn't working while I was paused. Still not working. Well, maybe we can right now with this. Okay. So I'm going to say, let's see, points 2 and 3. We're going to calculate the energy. GPE, KE, and E total. Great. All right, so the GPE at point 1, or 2, it's equal to MgH2, which is equal to the mass of 0.5 times G of 10 times 2.4. Okay, I'm going to say the half of 2.4 is 1.2 times 10 is 12. 12 joules. So I'll put that in here. Let me pause while I erase. Okay, KE2. That's 1/2 mv2 squared. And that is 1/2 times another 1/2. V2 is 4. 4 squared. Okay. 4 squared is 16. Half of 16 is 8. Half of that is 4. So that means that the kinetic energy there is 4 joules. And our total energy at point 2 is 16. Okay. Now let's take a look at what the total energy is at point 3. So you can see that at point 3, it's on the ground. So its GPE is 0. So all we have to do is calculate the kinetic energy at point 3. 1/2 mv3 squared. So we've got 1/2 times another 1/2 times 8 squared. 8 squared is 64. 64 times a half is 32. 32 times a half is 16. And we've got a total energy of 16. So yes, the system is isolated from the environment between points 2 and 3.